Hey Wallet Hubbers! Today we'll go over how to use a credit card with a chip in it. Thankfully, it's pretty straightforward. To use a chip card, insert the chipped side of the credit card into the slot of the card reader with the chip facing up. Then, keeping the card in the reader, follow the instructions on the screen. When the transaction is complete, the screen will tell you to remove your card from the slot. Do not remove it prior to seeing that message on the screen, or you'll have to start over. By the way, if the retailer has not yet switched to a chip card reader, you can still swipe the card's magnetic stripe. The magnetic stripes on credit cards still work, but if the swipe is a fraudulent purchase, the retailer is on the hook for any losses if they haven't upgraded their payment equipment yet. So that's why most retailers have installed chip readers at this point. They don't want to get into any trouble. And most chip cards these days also have contactless payment capability, so you also have the option of just tapping your card on a contactless card reader to complete your transaction. We actually recommend tapping the card instead of inserting it because that's faster. So with that, you're ready to start using chip cards. Most credit cards have chips in them nowadays, so you're bound to get plenty of practice.